We've really seen a dramatic improvement since adopting Crescat. Hi, my name is Ragnhild and I'm the Booking and Event Coordinator at USF Verftet. And we use Crescat Venue for all our production planning. So what I like most about Crescat is that it's a great tool for sharing information with everyone working at a production. For example, it saves me a lot of time when a promoter will add in the schedule, any riders, special requests that we all need access to in the production. Crescat streamlines our event planning process, making it much easier to coordinate everything from artist arrivals to stage setups. Our crew can easily access all details about the timeline, tech specs and other information needed for rigging and the execution of the event. The system allows for seamless interaction between our internal team and collaborators such as promoters and artists to make sure that everyone is on the same page. We'll give read access to suppliers like freelance sound engineers and the catering company so that they always have updated info about their deliveries. The feature allowing us to monitor and manage our venues and other rooms helps us to avoid double bookings and schedule better. It encourages an open, collaborative culture and it makes us more confident as event professionals. Crescat has transformed how we collaborate. It's like having a virtual meeting room where everyone involved in an event can come together and align on every aspect.